All right, so this video is just to quickly go over for you, the plumber, of just the basic installation of the system. So here's what it looks like, and we'll start at the beginning. It comes in from the shutoff valve to the PRV. We need a PRV valve on this. If there's not one, they need to get one. It comes in to the back here. It has the feed is on the left, the out is on the right. And it comes in, we use PEX fittings right here. And then this system here has a controller that will step you through the programming. But so the water comes in and out, and then we have a backwash line. We like to use this funny pipe, the thicker Home Depot, not the clear, but we use a 1/2 inch fitting here, barbed fitting. And then it's got a built-in bypass, so it comes out and then it comes up and then in 3/4 PEX fitting here. We like to try to take it 1 inch as far as we can and then reduce down 1 inch in. This is the Viqua Eros UV light. And then it comes out and then we run it down and bring it in to this fitting right here, which is a 3/4 PEX fitting that we like to use. The water then goes through a 5 micron sediment filter, which will already be in the canister. And then back over here, we have the drain line. This is a backwash drain line. We'll send you out the piping for this fitting, and then the product line. So we have the drain line, which you can tell where it is because it's coming off the drain line. And then the permeate is the pure water, which is the second one over here. And that then comes over and fills up the tank with the fitting that we do here. There's a float mechanism floating in the tank from that port right there. That power line comes over and connects to these fittings right here. And that will tell the computer when the tank is full, if that makes sense. So there's a float in there, and you can see this is full right now. And when it gets down to a certain point, it'll turn back on and fill up. And then from the tank, we do a shutoff valve and then a 1 inch check valve. It comes up into the pump. This is the DAB delivery pump. The water pumps in. These are now 1 inch in, and these are PEX fittings here with a crimping tool, and then out. So the in is on the computer side, the screen side, and the out is over here. And there is a prime fitting opening where you open this right here, open that up, and sometimes you have to prime the pump to turn on. The pump is a 110, so that can be plugged into any 110, but we need it going into a 20 amp breaker, which we'll have done for it. And then this power line, this system, runs on a separate 20 amp breaker as well. Not a 220, it's a 110, but it's a 20 amp breaker. So once again, we have the water max, and then this is the salt tank right here that matches this water max, and this is the connection to the salt tank that we run over and into the back. We have a backwash line here, in, out, down through, in. The product goes to the tank, and then we have a backwash line that we would take the backwash off the RO membranes to the same drain that this one is going to. The water comes out of the pump, shut-off valve down there, goes into the pump, out of the pump, out to the house.